The Shuttleworth Collection's Race Day and Roaring Twenties Airshow made a fitting finale to the 2016 season. Alongside the incredible collection of vintage racing aircraft, there was also the inaugural Shuttleworth Sprint. This saw a large number of vintage cars taking it in turns to run up and down the runway. The flying covered all aspects of air racing, from gliding to Formula One. And there was even a demonstration of modern-day aerobatic racing from the Extra 330. There were several mock air races throughout the afternoon, showing how air racing and aircraft development changed over the years. The main flying close was a memorable recreation of the 1934 McRobertson air race, in which the collection's DH-88 Comet took first place. It wasn't just civilian aircraft on show either, with displays from the Hurricane, Mustang, and SE-5A. The race day show also provided the opportunity for the Sopwith Dove to make its debut appearance. The race day show had a unique lineup that perfectly fitted the theme and made for a wonderful final act of 2016.